Pears are a nutritious fruit that offers several health benefits due to their rich content of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Here are some of the potential benefits of pears for weight loss, heart health, diabetes management, endurance, and testosterone levels, weight loss. Low in calories, pears are relatively low in calories, making them a good choice for those looking to manage their weight. High in fiber, pears are rich in dietary fiber, which can promote feelings of fullness and aid in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Heart health, fiber content. Pears are a good source of soluble fiber, such as pectin, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Potassium. Pears are also a good source of potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and overall heart function. Diabetes management. Low glycemic index G. Pears have a low G, which means they have a slower impact on blood sugar levels compared to high G foods. This can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Fiber content. The fiber in pears can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Endurance, energy source. Pears contain natural sugars such as fructose and glucose, which can provide a quick source of energy for physical activities and help sustain endurance during workouts. Testosterone. While pears themselves are not directly linked to testosterone levels, maintaining a balanced and healthy diet that includes fruits like pears can contribute to overall health, which may indirectly support hormonal balance. It's important to note that while pears can offer these benefits, they should be part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Additionally, individual responses to foods can vary, so it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized nutrition advice.